In this session, we want to talk about Chroma Key screen or green screen. This technique is used in cinematic visual effects, but because it is related to After Effects, I feel it's necessary to explain it. Maybe you will use it in the future. Suppose we have a video whose background is green and we want to put it in another background. I will drag this video and drop it in this section. As you can see, I downloaded a video from YouTube where a helicopter hits the ground and there is a green screen behind it. We want to put this video in another background. You can even change the background behind your videos. Just buy a green curtain or a Chroma Key curtain and hang it behind your head and take a video of yourself and enter it into After Effects. And with this technique I'm going to teach you remove the green screen. Another thing you should consider about the green screen is the light. You should do lighting in such a way that your shadow doesn't fall on the screen while filming. Otherwise, it will be difficult to remove the green screen. For this purpose, you can use ring light. There are various models in the market that you can buy and put it in front of your face and film. After you film yourself in green screen, import it into the After Effects and follow the tutorial. In the previous session, we used the Linear Color Key tool to remove backgrounds. From this effect menu, I select Keying and then Linear Color Key. If I use this tool, the green screen is not removed completely. As you can see, the green colors around the helicopter haven't been completely removed. So I will remove this effect and use another effect called Keylight 1.2. This effect is for removing green screen. Click on this dropper from the screen color section and select the green color around the helicopter. As you can see, the green colors were completely removed. Now if I move the CTI, you can see that the green areas are completely removed, but the corners of the video are white in some areas. You can also remove these white areas by using the screen gain option. Try not to increase this number too much, because many details may be removed from the video. For example, in these areas, when the helicopter hits the ground, the soil raises. If you increase this number, these soils may be removed. You can increase this number until the extra white parts are removed. By default, the view part is on the final result mode. You can set it smooth to screen matte. By doing this, the helicopter will be white and you can remove the extra parts more accurately by changing this screen gain option. For example, if I reduce this number, the corners of the video will be white. And the more I increase this number, these whites will be completely removed. After you get the desired result, you can set this option to final result. Now you can see that our background has been completely removed and the background is transparent, and you can use any background you like behind it. I downloaded a background from the internet. I opened the project window and placed this background under the helicopter layer. Now if I move the CTI, you can see that the helicopter is displayed in the new background. Even the shadow of the helicopter is displayed on the ground. So we were able to remove the green screen so easily. In the effect control section for the Keylight 1.2 effect, there are many settings that you can change and see the result, but I recommend the same setting for most videos. If you have done proper lighting, this green screen can be easily removed.